Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family. In today's video, we are going to be making some simple egg and smoked salmon wrap. It's so easy to make and fantastic for breakfast or for lunch. So come along and let's get started. So we will need some fresh spinach, fresh eggs, smoked salmon, some sliced onions, bell peppers, some tomatoes, and some grated cheese. But as always, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. Crack your eggs into a bowl or a measuring cup like I'm doing here, and in this recipe I'm using 5 eggs. And when using eggs, make sure to use the freshest of eggs available to you. Next, you want to season your eggs with a little bit of salt, black pepper, onion powder, and some garlic powder. Or feel free to use any seasoning that you would like to have in your eggs. Now beat your eggs until very light and fluffy and add your sliced onions and tomatoes. The tomatoes are deseeded, and your bell peppers. Continue to whisk and add your chopped spinach. And in case you don't have spinach, you may also use some kale. Now give it another good mix and set it aside for later. Next, you want to heat up a frying pan, a skillet, or any wide bottom pot that you have and oil it slightly. And a non-stick pot works best in this recipe. Pour in the egg mixture and spread it out with your spatula until the surface of your pot is covered with the egg mixture and the vegetables. You want to make sure they are evenly spread and that every corner of your pot has a bit of all the ingredients we put in there. Now chop up or tear up your smoked salmon and top your egg mixture with it, making sure that it is evenly spread out as well. Now allow the egg to cook on a low-medium heat uncovered until the bottom part of the egg is fully set. Now cover and cook for about 3 minutes or until the upper part of the mixture is also set, just like this. So there is no raw mixture anywhere, it is perfectly cooked. Alternatively, you can also finish off your cooking by popping it into the oven at 180 for about 5 minutes if the pan you are using is an oven-safe pan. So now that our egg is cooked, we are going to set it aside and begin with the filling of our wrap. I will be using flour tortillas in this recipe, but any tortillas of your choice will work out perfectly. Corn tortillas or wholemeal tortillas, they all work out perfectly. Sometimes I use that too. Layer your tortilla with some of the grated cheese, and I'm using Gouda cheese, but any cheese of your choice will do. You want to add a portion of your egg or your omelette and top with some more cheese, and then fold over your tortilla. And I'm going to grill this with my electric grill, but you don't have to use an electric grill. I will show you in a moment how you can do it without a grill. Grill it for about 3 to 4 minutes or until your cheese is melted and you are left with these beautiful grill marks, and your tortilla is done. The omelette we made was able to fill about 3 large tortillas, and so I'm going to do the next one. And let's cut into the first one and see how beautiful it is. It's so gorgeous, super tasty, and it smells so amazing. And just look at that, so cheesy, so nice. You know, that addition of smoked salmon makes it so delicious. You can also use bacon or leftover chicken, you know, stuff like that, and it will come out amazing too. So if you don't have a grill, you can just put this back into a dry frying pan or a skillet, and on a low-medium heat, allow the cheese to melt as well. and I'm pressing it down with my spatula to help with the melting of the cheese. Flip it to the other side once it's done and press it down again to melt the cheese on the other side as well. And once that side is also melted, your tortilla is done. The only thing you will miss are those beautiful grill marks that you get with your grill, but the taste will be exactly the same. You won't miss out on anything. Well, this looks equally beautiful too, if you should ask me. And there you have it, our easy and also delicious egg and smoked salmon wrap. I hope you try it very soon for your breakfast or for your packed lunch, and I know you are going to enjoy it. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, please remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So cook this meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.